Hello guys, welcome once again. We will be discussing today terminologies in forex. So first of all, I want you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel, on notification bell to receive more updates, because you'll be getting updates on aspect of forex, currency pairs, how to trade on Deriv and any other forex trading platform. So I want you to stay tuned, stay glued to this channel for updates, strategies on how to become a successful trader. You see, forex is a very lucrative business. It's very lucrative. At the same time, to become a forex trader, you need to be skillful. You need to understand the business. You need to understand the know-how. You need to have the know-how. You need to understand terminologies. You need to understand how the forex work in general, because it's only when you actually understand the forex per se you can actually become successful. Because at the same time that it is very lucrative, there are also risks involved in forex trading. You don't just enter and anyhow, because you lose money if you enter in that way. So before you can actually trade very well, you need to understand the basics. You need to be grounded in it. Understand? So today I'll take you on the terminologies in forex. So we'll be starting first. What is forex? What is forex? Forex is the name forex is gotten from forex exchange. Forex exchange. I mean, it's in a layman term, it's a platform where you can exchange currencies. Where you can buy and sell different currencies based on the high and fall of the general market. Like I said, forex is very lucrative. There are different in forex. There are different aspects of forex. There are different indices to trade on. But actually, what we'll be focusing on majorly are the terminologies you find in forex. So whenever you see these things, there will no more be an issue. I'll just explain a few of them. Maybe later on in the next videos, I'll be explaining them as we go by. Now, I'll talk about forex pairs. Forex pairs. What are forex pairs? Like I told you, forex trading involve one bunch of forex involve currency trading, whereby you can trade the euro against the US dollars. You can trading the euro against the US dollars, the US dollars against the Japanese yen. Sorry for that. You can trade in different currencies. So the euro, US dollars, the US Japanese yen, the euro, Caribbean dollars, and the rest of it. There are so many of them, but like I said, I will not go actually in full details. I'll just explain a bit of them. So first of all, let's talk about the pairs. So there are many pairs in the forex market. I mentioned the euro USD. Okay, these are pairs. The euro pair with the USD. We have the USD pair with the Japanese yen, and we have the BP paired with the US dollars. We have there are many of them. Okay, so when you see a currency pair with another currency, that is a pair. That is a trade pair. So there are three kinds of currency pair. We have the major, we have the minor, and we have the exotic pair. Okay, the major pairs are the pair that are frequently traded. They are mostly traded by traders. So those are the major pair. So I want to talk about the base and the quotes. Now, in a pair, the first the first the first the first pair is always called the base. That's the base currency. While the second pair, the second one, it's always called the quote. Okay. So I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just touching a few things and trying to explain some of them. So in forex, there are two kinds of prices in forex. In the pair, when you're paying the pair, first pair has two prices. We talk about the ask price and the bid price. The ask price is when sellers, these are the price that sellers are willing to sell. Okay, that price is called the asking price or the ask price. The price where sellers are willing to sell is called the ask price. Why the bid price is the price buyers are willing to buy. You understand? These are the kind of the ask price and the bid price. Like I said earlier, the ask price is the price the sellers are willing to sell, while the bid price is the price in which buyers are willing to buy. Okay, those are some of the things I want to be talking about. Okay, actually I will be focusing more on derivative trading. We have in the markets, we have the bulls and the bears. Okay, the bulls denote buyers and the bears denote sellers. So when you see bulls and bears, you know this it's about the tug of war between buyers and sellers. There is always a tug of war between buyers and sellers. By the time you understand the market very well, you know from a chart which have the power in the currency markets. You will know looking at the chart, you just know. So this, I don't want the video to be long, so I'll just hit on the next video. I'll explain more in details of some of these indices and their terminologies. But I think we can pause for here and continue later. As I said, it's a continuous class. I'll be dropping videos on each of these topics. I just want to introduce, but this is an introduction. So I'll be talking about each of these terminologies one after the other, and so that we can actually come to appreciate them individually. So this video is just an introduction to the topic terminologies in forex. So I'll take my time to make a video from each of them, then teach you in detail about each. So thank you once again for watching this video. Do go to the next videos for more updates.